Good afternoon. My name is Yan Qi. I'm the owner of Progress Tata Accountant, Progress AA. So I would like to show my business board. You can see that is as a visit order from Mr. and then also my business fee. Come and grab one, okay? That's really good. Today I would like to share with you about how to sell. Honestly, I don't know how to sell. I just start to learn how to sell. I was born in China, and my mom was a businesswoman. I was always admire her, and she always confident. But she didn't allow me to do business because she think it's probably not good job for lady, or maybe too hard. In China, I think the sales probably is a lowest level job. That's why she let me to go to school, go to university, and finish a Bachelor of Arts, and went to come to Australia, and then start Master of E-commerce and also Master of Accountant. Now I'm Chartered Accountant. So after I start my own business, I realize if I want my business succeed, continuously growing, I have to learn how to sell. So this is hard for me. But what I learned that sales is not that low-level job. What I want to say is everyone is selling everything, or something at least. Such as if you go to interview, you have to sell yourself to the potential employer. If you want to impress other people, whatever you don't want or not, you have to dress up. So some research said young sales have very big great sales result first 3 months, but after 3 months the result is dropped. The main reason is that the product probably not aligned with the young sales themselves. What I want to say that probably the product is not what they really want, or they not trust their product. One of my friends want me to sell his cosmetic products. I didn't do it because first I really don't know the cosmetics so much. Second, I don't know whether I trust this product or not. So now I start my own business. I commit 100% to sell this business, my tech practice, or sell myself to customer. The reason is that I fully confident I can provide services to the potential clients. Also, I can solve the problem to them. With individual return, I can maximum the tax return with maximum confidence. Also, the tax planning for the family wealth. So how about you? Are you trust your product you're selling, or are you trust yourself? Second one, very important, other than not only the fully trust yourself or whether trust the product. Second one, you have to fully commitment. What I'm saying that, are you fully commitment for your clients? I am. If clients want to miss sometime, I will miss them straight away, whatever it takes. And the third one is have to be obsessed. What I'm saying is that you have to obsess what you're doing, obsess to provide high quality services, and obsess to leave the good service to clients. So that's what I'm saying I want to show you today, and keep watching and keep progressing. And don't forget to click like. My goal is 50 clients at the end of 30th June to this year. I will be my one of 50 clients. Keep